Turning now to the latest on monkeypox, the World Health Organization has declared the monkeypox outbreak a public health emergency of international concern.
It is the highest alert level the WHO can declare, and it means that monkeypox has spread to a point where a coordinated international response may be required. There are 46 confirmed cases of monkeypox in Harris County, and today we're hearing from one Houston man who has been suffering from the virus for 3 weeks now. Janelle Bluda joins us with his story. Janelle.
Yeah, guys, Wesley Wallace says while having monkeypox, it's painful just to exist. Now, we want to warn you this illness is graphic in nature, and we do not want to hide the severity of some of its symptoms, but you should know some of these images are hard to watch. Wallace thinks he got the virus when he was out at a bar July 4th weekend. He says he may have gotten it from kissing another person because, as you can see, the blisters first appeared on his face. He has 8 lesions on his chin and even one inside his mouth. And now he says they're starting to spread to other parts of his body. On top of that, he's experienced severe flu-like symptoms, chills, night sweats, body aches. He even got strep throat. But another symptom for many, he says, is isolation. So he's sharing his story so others know they're not alone.
If you hear of a friend or a loved one that has this, message them, support them, ask them if they need anything, just let them know that they're not some kind of pariah, that they're not dirty, and that it's going to be okay. It's not lethal. It's just very temporary and it's scary for the moment.
Wallace says it took a few days for his doctor to confirm it was monkeypox, but once that happened, the people he had been in contact with were able to get the vaccine. Outside that, however, he says access to the vaccine has been so scarce, his friends are actually leaving Texas to get it in other states. Now, Wallace thinks he's got another week or so in quarantine, making his entire infection and recovery about a month. If you would like more information on monkeypox and the efforts happening in our community, visit our website, khou.com. Guys, back to you.
Had an incredible message. Thank you, Janelle. Now, with monkeypox getting even more attention, we wanted to put this into perspective. This is the second time in 2 years the World Health Organization has taken this extraordinary step of declaring it a global emergency. Now, monkeypox has spread to dozens of countries and infected tens of thousands of people in just a few weeks. Here's what you need to know. We're going to start with the name. Monkeypox was discovered in monkeys that were being used for research back in 1958, but they are not the source of this virus. They're just susceptible to getting it, like humans. Why are we seeing more cases now? Health experts say there's evidence the virus has mutated and become more contagious. Monkeypox is not related to chickenpox. It belongs to the same family of viruses as smallpox, but it's less contagious and not nearly as deadly. Dr. Thomas Giordano, chief of infectious diseases at Baylor College of Medicine, says those who received the smallpox vaccine will have good protection against monkeypox. But when smallpox was eradicated more than 40 years ago, officials stopped vaccinating for it. Still, this does not mean those under 40 are at a higher risk of getting monkeypox. So how do you get it? Close or skin-to-skin contact, generally through intimate physical contact. Most cases have been in men, but the virus has been found in women and even children.
It's close skin-to-skin contact, and then what we call fomites, so the bedding and the towels and things like that someone who has active lesions might use, and then if you reuse them, you can get it that way.
It has an incubation period of 1 to 2 weeks. It often starts with a fever, muscle aches, and fatigue. Then a rash develops, resulting in lesions. While most people do recover, children and people with weakened immune systems are at risk for severe disease. The U.S. uses 2 types of smallpox vaccine to fight monkeypox. Dr. Giordano says getting the vaccine, even after someone gets monkeypox, can help lessen the severity of the infection.
If you are in one of the populations that's higher risk, younger and a man who has sex with men in particular, or you have sex with people in that population, then stay tuned to the health authorities' websites, the City of Houston and the Harris County Health Department, because they're going to have the most up-to-date information on how you can get vaccinated.
And speaking of, at 5 o'clock, Houston and Harris County leaders will give us updates on the monkeypox response. We're going to be streaming that live, and we're making it easy for you to get the latest information on monkeypox. You can just text the word POX, that is POX, to 713-526-1111. We'll send you back some links, including our latest verifies on the virus.